Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Limbus Company crashing on Steam. It's a quick and easy process that should get your game running smoothly again, so let's jump right in. First, you want to open your Steam and then go to your library. Then you want to find Limbus Company in your list of games, and you want to click on it. Then click on the gear icon, this one right over here. Then you want to choose Properties. From here, you want to go to General tab and make sure the option Enable Steam Overlay while in-game is checked or turned on. Now this might seem small, but sometimes the overlay helps with certain Steam-related crashes. Next, you want to head over to Installed Files, this one. Then what you want to do here is you want to click on Verify Integrity of Game Files, this option. Now, once you do that, Steam will scan your files and replace any that are missing or corrupted. This step alone fixes most crash issues. And once that's done, you can also go ahead and click Browse to open the game's installation folder. And from here, you want to right-click on Limbus Company. This one. Right-click, and you want to choose Properties. From here, you want to go to Compatibility tab. And then you want to make sure these three boxes are checked. This first one, if this is applicable to you, you can check that. And you can also check disable full screen optimizations. And the last one is run this program as an admin. After that, just go ahead and click apply, then OK, and you're good to go. Launch the game again and it should run without crashing. So that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!